You know what's coming. Over-engineered Japanese art piece called RB26 Det. Don't need to talk, give the intro. The 2.6-liter twin-turbo straight-six engine found in the R32 to R34 GTRs is a key reason why these cars are JDM legends. RB26 is known for being super strong and well-made. But what makes the RB26 stand out? Well, here's the scoop. It's all about its racing roots. Nissan didn't just build it for the road. They had victory on the track in mind. That's why they went all out, making it extra tough and durable. This means there's tons of potential to crank up the power, making it a dream come true for car lovers and tuners alike. The RB26 Det engine block is made from cast iron, while the cylinder head is made from aluminum alloy, which contains DOHC 4 valves per cylinder, 24 valves in total. The engine also uses a parallel twin-turbo system, using a pair of T25 type ceramic turbochargers set by the wastegates to limit boost pressure to 10 psi, although the Skyline GTR has a built-in boost restrictor to keep boost under 14 psi. The first 2.6-liter RB26 Det was rated by Nissan at around 276 horsepower and 353 Newton-meter torque. By the end of production, power levels had gone up to around 320 horsepower and 392 Newton-meter torque, not only because of developments and modifications to the engine, but also because of the gentleman's agreement made between automakers to limit the advertised horsepower of any vehicle to 280 horsepower. While the published figures from Nissan were as quoted above, it has been known among enthusiasts that the car actually had a factory power output closer to the 320 horsepower figure. The RB26 is widely known and became quite popular for its strength and power potential thanks to its iron block and forged internals, making it a modification-friendly platform for tuners and aftermarket modifications in general. When it comes to what makes the engine stand out, there are several factors in the mix. Different people might give you different reasons, but we believe it's the engine's racing history, potential for customization, reliability, and captivating engine sounds that have made the RB26 a true JDM legend. Inline 6 engines are renowned for their pleasing sound. It's not harsh, but rather has a deep tone that gets more powerful as you rev it up. What sets the RB apart is its 6 separate throttle bodies. These not only improve performance and responsiveness, but also enhance the engine's distinctive sound. Having 6 throttle bodies reduces interference, resulting in a richer tone. Now, let's talk about customization potential. With some minor tweaks and the right adjustments, you can easily boost an RB26 to produce 400 horsepower, which is quite impressive. But if you're aiming even higher, reaching 600 horsepower is another level altogether. Anything beyond that usually requires upgrading internal components and the engine block. Now, let's discuss reliability. Generally, the RB26 is known for being sturdy and reliable, designed to perform well. However, instances of over-revving, poor tuning, and excessive boosting have given it a bad reputation. Ultimately, the engine's reliability depends on how wisely you handle tuning and maintenance. And in case you damage the engine block, there's a silver lining. You can still purchase a new one. Nissan has resumed production of the RB26. However, it comes at a hefty price tag. So what do you think? RB26 deserves recognition, or you say, nah, I prefer 2JZ all day? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.